Today I'll talk about introduction to if-else statement in MATLAB. Now first we have to know what is the syntax. So if-else statement allow you to execute different code block based on whether a condition is true or false. So basic syntax: if condition, if then condition, code block to be executed if the condition is true. If it is not true, then code block to be executed if the condition is false, and then end. So this is the basic syntax. Now I can take one example. Now here check if a number is positive or negative. So first that input the number. Now okay, I'm taking this code to that MATLAB software here. So first we have to put that we have to delete. Okay, now again, so this is single inverted comma here, and this is also single inverted comma. Okay, now this is single inverted comma. Okay, now here you can double. Okay, so now it is okay. Now here, so number, input the number. So that input means we have to input the number. Okay, so that is input is a inbuilt comment. Okay, so here input the number, and then if the number is greater than 0, then positive. The number is positive means if this is true, then the statement will come, the execute means it will display the number. If it is false, then it will display this number. So now if I run that, so first enter the number here. Okay, so if you enter the number, suppose 5, enter, so the number is positive. So that if number means 5 greater than 0, yes, so that will work. Now if I again execute, now number I am putting -5. See, number is not positive. So first, if this statement is true, then this statement this will display. If this is not true, then it will display. It is like that. So if else statement is like that. Now I can take another example. So CLC I can take. Okay, now here I am taking another example. So this is the good example. I'm copy pasting here. So first we have to check all this. So this is single inverted comma, single inverted comma. Okay, this is single inverted comma. Okay, and this is single inverted comma. So here I have to go again. So here that enter the student on the score. So this is the total. Okay, so you have to put like that. It is not like that. Student score, enter the student score. Okay, so this is the, and then if, then it will be this grade 1 display. Okay, so it is like that, then it is like that, then it is like that. Okay, now it is, I think, okay. So for here you have to remove all this number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now it is okay. So this is the code. So now input, enter the student score, and then if this score greater than 0, if this is the statement true, then okay. If score else if score greater than this is true, then it will be, if else this is the true, then it will be, otherwise it will be L grade. Now if I do that, suppose I run that, I put, suppose one student got 90. Okay, so what will be that? So grade A, right? So now if else 90, it is this statement is okay. Okay, now if I put 85, so you can see the grade B, it is like that. So if I put something like 75, so this statement is true, so get C. Okay, enter the student. Okay, enter number, so grade C. Now again, so now if that less than 60, okay, so what will happen? Then enter, then great F. So it is like that. This is the way the code is actually running, and this is the syntax of that if else statement. That's it for the today's. Thank you.